Hello dear traders, let us review the world market performance in the past week. On Monday, American indices aimed towards the red zone. Investor sentiment deteriorated because of plunging Chinese stocks. S&P 500 closed 0.6% lower, with 9 of its 10 main sectors finishing in the red, led by 1.35% fall in the energy index. ICE dollar index was down 0.75%. The market reaction to US durable goods report was muted. June durable goods orders rose 3.4%, exceeding expectations. European stocks rebounded on Tuesday amid strong earnings reports and rising merger and acquisition activity. Stoxx Europe 600 gained 1.1%, Germany's DAX 30 rose 1.1%, France's CAC 40 added 1%. Nikkei rallied 1.1% on Wednesday on strong blue-chip corporate reports as yen weakened against the dollar. Oil prices rose sharply as official data showed U.S. weekly crude inventories fell by 4.2 million barrels, more than 20 times the expected decrease. At the same time, U.S. oil production in lower 48 states also fell by 101,000 barrels to total 8.95 million barrels a day. Gold prices edged higher but remained near last week's 5.5-year low, as investors try to assess the likelihood of interest rate hike in September. Grain futures climbed on Thursday on expectations of drought in Europe, Canada and Argentina. International Grains Council increased the global corn production forecast to 966 million tons in season 2015-2016 due to likely increase in crops in China, and cut the wheat production forecast to 710 million tons because of Canada. Soybean and corn futures fell on Friday on good weather expectations in Middle West. According to U.S. Department of Agriculture, China cancelled a deal refusing to import 200,000 tons of soybean and producing additional pressure on soy prices. This week, we recommend to pay attention to a number of macroeconomic indicators that may provide a volatility boost in currency market. These are PMI indices published on Monday, trade balance in US and Canada on Wednesday, and several monetary and loan policy releases on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, Bank of England will announce rate decision, while Bank of Australia will make monetary policy statement on Friday. Bank of Japan will hold a press conference on Sunday, which may affect the Japanese yen prices. This was all for the past week. We wish you happy trading and see you next week.